Hello dolls, welcome back to my channel. So we're getting straight into it. I'm adding makeup on the lace so it can blend in with my skin tone a little bit more. I'm using the LA Girl color. Now that I have placed it on my head, I'm going to cut it right above my ears.
Hear that music? Well, what do you know?
Using Escha's lace front glue. This one has collagen in it, which helps with hair growth, and it has a formula in it where it doesn't irritate your skin. So this one will be amazing for sensitive skin people. Now I am applying the Escha lace front glue, and I'm going to keep it on there until it turns clear. While this lace front glue is drying, this hair is from Yolissa's hair company. This is their 22-inch water wave wig, and it is a size medium around the cap. I'm just showing you everything that was inside the box. The lashes, scarf, band was very cute and stylish. And also a baggie to put everything in, and instructions for a wig if it is your first time. Now, to let the glue dry a little bit more, I'm putting Yolissa's hairband that they gave me on my head just for a little bit. Now I am trimming the lace. I have a little bit extra out just for baby hairs, but I will go back in and cut those off.
Hear that music? Well, what do you know?
I forgot to put which mousse I did use, so I did use the Lotta Body mousse. I did also damp the hair so it can be a little bit more curly, and now I'm working on the baby hairs.
that music? Well, what do you know?
Okay, so now that we are all done, baby hair is done, lace done, now I'm going to do my makeup and I'll be back. I'll show you the finished result.
Hear that music? Well, what do you know?